Are you guys, is that the drainage, Emma?
Oh, yeah.
Come on over here. Show me what we did.
Wait.
Whoa, Kendall, you got your boots? Whoa, is this the new retaining wall?
Oh, yeah.
Is this your new lookout basement?
Oh, yeah.
Whoa, this looks so cool.
Because it has a shower.
And we did all the drainage through here.
Daddy, is the basement done?
It's almost done.
Okay, it's gonna be lovely.
It is.
Love it.
We're ready to put the sod in. We're gonna do some arborvitaes over there for some privacy. Emma, what do you think?
Yeah.
Kendall, what do you think, buddy?
I think she loves it.
Do you got your boots on?
Yeah.
Can you guys give each other a big hug? Oh.